I have two drums here I want you to look at. This is from a 62 TE. These are the compounder drums. Okay. A lot of times this compounder, it will blow snap ring out here. I never reuse a used one. It's always best to get a new one anyway. Some people get well, they say they rebuild them, but they can never rebuild it. Okay, this part takes a lot of stress. Okay, but there's one other thing that you need to pay attention to on this. Do you see these sealing rings? Where is it? You see that gap that's in there? And this is one thing they talk about, so you can see that over time these Teflon rings seem to widen the gap. Some say until it actually knocks this land off and they fall completely off. So here is one where it's pretty bad. Now, what kind of problems it would have with this floating around like this, I don't know. Now, of course, if it's completely off, it can't seal. So there's going to be some issues. Now, does it have an issue when it's just floating? Don't know. I guess we have to find out. If I get one in that this is blown off, we'll know what happens. But what they have gotten is a different style, where it has grooves in here, where this can't just turn around. Like this one doesn't have grooves. The rings can float around. I guess they feel that the floating of the rings spinning around is causing it to wear into the aluminum. I don't know. So what they did, they made it where it can't float around by putting this tab here. But I can see on this bottom one, this also has a little looseness too. You know, like that. It's moving up and down a bit. So I don't know what's going to happen with that one. I guess that's not really bad, but I guess it remains to be seen if this type of fix actually fixes the problem of it wearing the land out. That's pretty loose there too. So if I get one that's worse than this, then I'll let you know. But right now, with this type of drum, I would advise to just change it brand new. I mean, put a brand new one in. I think this drum costs $89, $100. But if you're rebuilding a transmission and you don't want any problems, just change the drum. Don't cut corners, and some of you will cut corners. I know that. But for those who are rebuilding their own transmissions, try not to cut corners. Get a new drum and be done with it. Okay? This is the compounder off the 62 TE transmission. That's in Dodge. A lot of Dodge products like Chrysler, Town and Country. I think it's in Dodge. Ooh, let me see. Journeys, I believe, is in there. I don't know, but I know it's in Dodge Caravans. A lot of vans. Again, 62 TE transmission.